Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today, I'm going to show you an extremely simple but incredibly effective 3-step rice skincare routine that has been used in Asian beauty rituals for centuries. This routine includes a soothing rice toner, a nourishing rice mask, and a lightweight hydrating rice cream. When combined, these 3 treatments can brighten your complexion, deeply hydrate your skin, help fade dullness, and give you that soft, dewy glass skin look. And the best part? All you need is rice and a few basic ingredients you already have at home. So grab your bowl and let's start our glow up. 1. Rice toner. First, we are going to make a powerful rice toner that hydrates, soothes, and brightens the skin. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of rice into a bowl. Any rice works, but white rice gives the best results because of its high starch content. Now pour in 1 cup of water and wash the rice thoroughly. We're doing this twice. Washing removes dirt, excess surface starch, and any unwanted particles. This step ensures our toner is clean, fresh, and gentle on the skin. After washing, pour in 1 cup of clean water. Close the lid and let the rice soak overnight. As it sits, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants slowly release into the water. The next morning, you'll notice the water looks slightly milky. That's perfect. Strain this rice water into a bowl. This liquid is full of skin-loving compounds like allantoin, which helps soothe irritation, antioxidants that fight aging, vitamin B complex, which supports cell turnover and brightens, and natural starch, which helps the skin retain moisture. Rice toner is especially great for those who struggle with dullness, uneven texture, or dryness. It helps the skin feel plump, fresh, and hydrated throughout the day. It also protects the skin barrier and reduces inflammation. Pour your toner into a spray bottle. Store it in the fridge to keep it fresh for up to 5 to 7 days. Mist it onto your face every morning and night after cleansing. Let it absorb naturally. It makes your skin soft, glowing, and ready for the next steps of your routine. 2. Rice mask. Now it's time to make our creamy and nourishing rice mask. Take the same soaked rice and add 1 glass of water to it. Boil on medium heat until the rice becomes soft and mushy. Once cooked, let it cool down completely. This step is important because blending hot rice can change the texture. Transfer the cooled rice into a blender and blend until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Add half a teaspoon of honey. Honey is an amazing natural humectant, meaning it pulls moisture into the skin. It also has antibacterial benefits, making this mask great for acne-prone or irritated skin. Mix well until everything is fully combined. Apply this creamy mask all over your face using a brush or your fingertips. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. You'll instantly feel how soft, nourished, and supple your skin becomes. This mask improves skin texture, reduces rough patches, and adds a natural glow. 3. Rice cream. Now let's finish the routine with a lightweight and deeply hydrating rice cream. Start by adding 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel into a bowl. Aloe vera is soothing, cooling, and perfect for calming redness. Next, add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E moisturizes, heals, and protects the skin from environmental damage. Now add a small amount of the rice water we saved from earlier. This gives the cream its hydrating and brightening power. Mix everything until you get a soft, creamy, lotion-like consistency. The texture should be smooth and lightweight. Transfer the cream into a clean, airtight jar. Keep it refrigerated to maintain freshness. Apply this cream every morning and night after using the toner and mask. It absorbs quickly, feels non-greasy, and leaves the skin bouncy, glowing, and hydrated. If you follow this routine consistently for just 7 days, you'll notice brighter complexion, reduced dullness, softer skin texture, improved hydration, a natural dewy glow, and overall healthier-looking skin.
And that's our complete 3-step rice skincare routine. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. If you tried this at home, let me know in the comments how your skin feels after a week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss my skincare tips and DIY beauty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!